Good morning. Myself Suganya. I am going to present a case study video about artificial intelligence. First of all, we are going to see what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of the machines or computer programs to carry out tasks that require human beings to use their intelligence. The study of computer systems attempts to model and apply the intelligence of the human mind. History of artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence or AI was first used in 1956, but it did not gain popularity until much later. With the time, use of computer increased, the internet was born and mobile internet picked pace. All of this lead to an increase in data volumes, that improvement in the computer's computing power, increased data storage capabilities, and as a result, AI gained popularity. The research in AI during the 1950s was restricted to problem solving and symbolic methods. During 1960s, the pioneering work in the AI field was done by the US Department of Defense that was working on creating computers capable of acting like human beings. In 1970s, the US Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, that is DARPA, completed the street mapping project. Incidentally, the first intelligent personal assistant was produced in 2003, long before Siri, Alex, or Cortana. Human like robots and artificial intelligence of science fiction are far away from reality. The development of self awareness has not shown much progress, and it will continue to exist in the field of science fiction for some more time to come. Different phases of AI. First phase. The first phase of AI research started with the Dartmouth Conference and involved techniques related to general problem solving. Researchers assumed that any problem can be solved by using a program code and mathematical models. To solve these problems, the researchers used computer data that was searched until solution emerged. Searching through moves based on historics of previous games would allow the computer to find the best result. Second phase. The second phase of AI research focused on reducing the search space so that the searching become better. During this period, attempts were made to find better ways of presenting data. The search in AI initially slowed down to the negative publicity regarding them. Japan announced the fifth generation computer system project in 1982, which once again increased the interest in development of AI systems. Third phase. The third phase of AI research focused on developing intelligent knowledge based systems or IKBS. The main highlights of this phase were IKBS worked on data in the form of rules. IKBS was restricted in the sense that it was capable of learning and its focus was extremely narrow. What is intelligence? All but the simplest human behavior is ascribed to intelligence, while even the most complicated insect behavior is usually not taken as an indication of intelligence. What is the difference or consider the behavior of the digger wasp, Specs insomnes? When the female wasp returns to her burrow with food, they see first deposits in the threshold, checks for intruders inside her burrow, and only then, if the coast is clear, carry her food inside. What is learning? There are a number of different forms of learning as applied to artificial intelligence. The simplest is learning by trial and error. For example, a simple computer program for solving mate in one chess problems might try moves at random until mate is found. The program might then store the solution with the position so that the next time the computer encountered the same position, it would recall the solutions. This simple memorize of individual items and procedures, known as root cleaning, is relatively easy to implement on a computer. More challenging is the problem of implementing what is called generalization. Generalization involves applying past experiences to analogous new situations. For example, a program that learns the past tense of regular English verbs by rote will not be able to produce the past tense of it jumped. Where say a program that is able to generalize can learn the added rule and so form the past tense of jump based or experience with similar verbs. Thank you.